I'm going to go over 4-2 step next in a little bit of detail now. To my surprise, I just found out that the step isn't the body of the loop that gets run that number of times, but an actual command that allows you to increment your counter by more than one number. Let's start from the beginning in case you haven't watched the sample program video. 4-2 step next allows you to run your loop only a certain number of times and then move on with your program. First off, you say for I equals 0, this declares your counter variable and sets it to 0 to start counting. It doesn't have to be 0, you can set it to any number that you want to start counting from. Then you see 2, 9, meaning that once I equals 9, then the loop is done. In our loop body we put print I so that we can actually see what's going on the screen. Finally we put next to indicate the end of our loop, and for the CPU to return to the 4 and increment I. Now if you add step 2 after the 2, 9 and run the program, you'll see what that does pretty easily. It increments your counter by 2 each time instead of 1. Now change 2 to 3. You see now that it counts by 3s. This will be important when reading the code for the sample games that SmileBASIC has provided. The sample programs and games really are the perfect learning pace. You just need a little help understanding them if you're new to programming.